I'll find it. He was actually nursing, and he's letting him. You're getting it on YouTube, and you interrupted it.
Say hi, Sam.
You just disgusted him.
My dog.
Hey, from Austin 452 here, guys.
His whole family.
We were at church, me and my grandma right here, my mom, and some of the kids from church were playing outside, and they found a hurt kitten. Its tail was like all damped up and everything. It's better now. It's a 1-pound cat.
He's done.
Sam.
He's done. Sam's done.
Look at that kitty cat.
I see what it is. This is clean.
Jerry, look.
Sam, move.
Look at. This is unbelievable.
Sam, come on. That's Sam. And then this kitten was trying to nurse from a male dog. And it's still trying to. Ow.
Wouldn't that be something Sam licked his butt to clean it? And it looks like he has a little. He had a poo-poo here.
He did a little dinky. No, I'm just kidding. Look at this little kitty. That's our new kitty cat. What's his name again, Mom? I keep forgetting. We call him Bart. I call him Bart Simpson sometimes, but I'm just being a turd.
It's getting some consistency to it. It's not wet. See? Yeah.
Oh, see from this angle.
He's still nursing, Sam. That is something.
20% battery. Hey, Sam. Sam, you and Mama?
He's so little. I mean, he was too little to be
A
taken,
big
but
boy.
yet he needed his life saved.
Hey, my little kitty.
That's probably for you, Kelly.
Trying to nurse off a male dog. You see, I'm taking it like a troop.
Hello? Yeah. Tell her what's going on with that. Yeah. You are such a good boy. Thank you for letting him do
Alright, leave your comments and just leave your comments, subscribe. Subscribe to the band channel. Holy crap, there goes Sam. He got disgusted with it. Oh, they're probably going to play. But, yeah. Say bye, Bart. Bart. Oh, you little turd. See ya. Bye, guys.